Well, Mark's about to do the first ground handling test on this Twin Olympus jet system. It's 110 pounder thrust. What's very different to what he's used to is he's got two toggles, two throttles, one in each hand. He's never done that before, so he wants to get used to that before he actually flies with the parachute.
You said Olympus?
Yeah, it's a Jet AMT Olympus jet. They're both together, they're 110 pounder thrust.
Fantastic.
After that, we've got the tripe, which we can do some ground tests as well. Again, that's never been started since it got put together. So the first time we're going to start this, we can run it up and down the field. Again, see how much power it's got and just see how it handles on the ground before we start doing some flight tests on that.
Wow, I can't wait to see this. Isn't the Olympus, the engine's out of the Concorde, or is that the Pegasus? I can't remember, but anyway.
I wouldn't be standing like this if you are.
Hopefully you've got the same sort of power.
Now these two...
Just a little 12?
A
12? A little 12.
Thank God. My goodness me. And obviously we're waiting for the Mark's going to put the paraglide on the wing, and then we're going to go fly. But we're just going to do a ground test. We're going to do a ground run on both of them. Right. Let's have a look at this. Get your cameras ready. We'll be running up. Don't want to miss this.
Power on. So if you look at your control dials now.
I've got some rollerblades if you want.
So engine Olympus.
Riley.
EGT19. And now it says start clearance. Right, so that's when you're ready. If that says start clearance, then all we do is put that to the top and that to the top, and you're ready to go. One at a time, or you're going to move behind him or come out here?
Yeah.
We will want to face that way so they hear how noisy.
Someone will get a scooter.
So should we do one at a time?
Yeah, turn away from the jets.
You don't mind the wind blowing in there? Straight up, yeah?
Yeah, straight up. So that's the starter. Yeah. Right to go. And just keep watching it.
You might have to hold me when I throttle off.
That was a lot of thrust, was it, Mark? Was that a lot? Serious? Yeah. I mean, Dave was literally pushing it down. as well. This guy in the jet trike at the moment is one of the chief stunt coordinators for Mission Impossible, for James Bond, Mission Impossible. Worked very closely, of course, with all the top stars. And he's here with us this weekend at Weston Park. How cool is that?
No brakes, so I can't go any faster. There's no brakes at all.
I see you took it gingerly on the turn.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.